Hello, friends. We are going to do calendar together today. So, first, can you please find for me the purple star? The purple star is on the number 22 because today is the 22nd day of September. Now, friends, I noticed there's also another sticker on this number 22. Do you know what the sticker says? The sticker says first day of fall. So today is the first day of fall. So you may notice some leaves falling from trees, or maybe it's getting a little cooler outside. But you will start to notice now some changes in the weather. All right, let's move to today's date. Today's date is Tuesday, September 22nd, 2020. Okay, I'm going to move to the green box. The green box says today is. Can you remind me, what day is it today? Today is Tuesday, so I'm going to move the Tuesday into the green box. All right, now I'm going to move up to the pink box. The pink box says yesterday was. If today is Tuesday, then that means yesterday was Wednesday? Was yesterday Wednesday? No, yesterday was Monday, so I'm going to put Monday in the pink box. All right, now I'm going to move to tomorrow will be. If today is Tuesday, then that means tomorrow will be Wednesday. So I'm going to put Wednesday in the blue box. All right. I'm going to read it all together, and then you're going to read it with me. Okay, I start up at the pink box. Yesterday was Monday. Today is Tuesday. Tomorrow will be Wednesday. All right, now let's read it together. Yesterday was Monday. Today is Tuesday. Tomorrow will be Wednesday. Awesome job. High five. All right, let's move to the weather report. The forecast for today is sunny. Can you take a look outside and tell me, is it sunny today? It is sunny today. All right, let's move to the pink box. The pink box is the temperature, and the temperature for today will be 78 degrees. And friends, can you remind me, how do we know that this number is talking about the temperature and not talking about 78 hamburgers? How do we know? We know because of this little circle. This little circle is the symbol for degrees or temperature. So when this little circle is next to a number, we know that the number is talking about degrees and temperature. All right, let's take a look at the red line. Now, the red line has gone up a little bit from yesterday. So what does that mean, that the red line has gotten bigger? That means that it's going to be warmer today. So today it is going to be warm. But today is the first day of fall. So I think that soon the red line is going to start getting smaller and smaller, because that means that it's going to be getting colder outside. Okay, let's move to the weather graph. Friends, which row am I going to put a rectangle in today? What's the weather today? It's sunny, so I'm going to put a pink rectangle in the sunny row. All right, let's count how many pink rectangles are in the sunny row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have had 5 sunny days of September. And now let's count the yellow rectangles in the cloudy row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have had 5 cloudy days in September. What do you notice about the sunny row and the cloudy row? There are the same amount of rectangles. So that means that we've had the same amount of sunny and cloudy days in September. That's very cool. Okay, let's move to the number of days in school. All right, so we are going to first count the number of orange stars in the first 10 frame. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job. All right, now we're going to count the purple stars in the second 10 frame. If the last number that we just said was 10, then what star is this going to be? What number is the star going to be? 11. So we're going to start counting at 11 and keep counting up. All right, let's do it. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Awesome job. All right. Now we're going to count the number of light blue stars in the third 10 frame. So if the last number that we said was 20, then what number comes after 20? What number star is this one going to be? 21. So we're going to say 21 and keep counting up from there. Are you ready? Let's do it. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So we have had 29 days of school so far. That's so awesome. But how many more days of school do we need to have until we fill up 3 10 frames? How many blanks do we have in this 10 frame? 1. So after 1 more day of school, then we will have filled up 3 10 frames. That's really cool. All right, we're going to do my favorite part of calendar, pattern work. I can't wait to see those teddy bears. All right. Where did the teddy bears go? Today, friends, this is really exciting. We're going to be using something different than teddy bears to build our patterns. What do you see that we're using today instead of teddy bears? Letters. So now we have said goodbye to the teddy bears and we will now be working with letters to build our patterns. Now, every letter, what do you notice about the letters over here? All of the letters are a different color. So when we say a pattern, we could say the colors of the letters, but since we've been working with colors a lot and you are a pro at the colors, I would love to try saying the letters of the patterns instead of the colors. So when we read the first row, we're going to say the letters, not the colors. All right. I'll read them first and then we can read them together. So we have A, B, A, B. All right. Now say it with me. A, B, A, B. What letter goes on this blank? What are you going to do to try and solve this pattern? Well, I see that the last letter is B, so I'm going to see if I can find anywhere else in the pattern that there's a letter after a B. I see an A. Do you think that A goes on this blank? I think so, so I'm going to put an A on this blank. All right, now let's say the whole pattern together. A, B, A, B, A. Awesome job. All right, now let's say the letters of the second pattern. And remember, we're saying the letters, not the colors. I'll say it first, and then you can say it with me. C, D, C, D. All right, now let's say it together. C, D, C, D. What letter goes on this blank? So I'm going to look in the pattern to see if I find a letter that comes after a C, that comes after a D. I see the letter C after the letter D. So do you think that the letter C goes on this blank? I think so. So I'm going to put the letter C on this blank. All right, now let's say the whole pattern together. C, D, C, D, C. Awesome job. All right, we're going to do the last pattern now. I'm going to say the letters and then you can say them with me. E, F, E, F. All right, let's say it together. E, F, E, F. What letter do you think goes on this blank? You think an E goes on this blank? Well, let's see. The letter before a blank is an F. So I'm going to see if somewhere else in the pattern I can find which letter comes after F. I see an F here, and then I see an E. So I think you're right. I think an E definitely goes on this blank. All right, let's say the whole pattern together. E, F, E, F, E. We did it! Great job today, friends. Even though we were working with something else today besides patterns and colors, you did an awesome job. I'm very proud of you. Friends, kiss your brain and say, "Thank you, brain. You were so smart." Ha! Thank you, brain. You were so smart. It was so nice having your help today for calendar, my friend. I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye!